How to install the feeder. Here's about the feeder packing list.
Follow these steps to installing the dog feeder box. Secure the bracket legs with Phillips screws.
Place the stainless steel tray into the box.
Place the feed port baffle into the box. Then screw in the screws. Place divider into the box, tighten the screw.
Insert the feeding port baffle into the gap, one side with a lifted edge facing outward.
Align the screw holes between the boxes. Then tighten the screw. Place the blue cover plate. Then tighten the screws to secure it. The assembly work has been fully completed.
Lift the lid and pour in the dog food.
The set includes a magnet that attaches between the guard and partition to keep the feeding port permanently open, facilitating feeding training for your dog.